Tattooing is an ancient art form and has a rich and complex history that spans various cultures and periods. In this section, we will explore the origins, cultural significance, and evolution of tattooing, highlighting its transition from a cultural ritual to a modern form of self-expression. The practice of tattooing dates back thousands of years, with the earliest evidence found on mummified skin. The oldest known tattoos were discovered on Ötzi the Iceman, a mummy from around 3300 BC, showcasing simple patterns. In ancient times, tattoos served as symbols of status, religious beliefs, and rites of passage. In Polynesian culture, tattooing was a highly sacred practice. Māori tattoos, known as moko, were intricate and conveyed information about a person's lineage, social status, and achievements. These tattoos were not only aesthetically significant, but also deeply spiritual. In ancient Egypt, tattoos were predominantly found on females, indicating status or possibly serving as a form of protection during pregnancy and childbirth. Tattoos have been discovered on Egyptian mummies dating back to 2000 BC. Beyond Egypt, other ancient civilizations such as the Greeks and Romans used tattoos, but they were often associated with slaves and criminals. In Japan, tattoos have a long history, initially associated with spirituality and status. Over time, they became linked to the Yakuza, Japanese organized crime, and were seen as rebellious. However, traditional Japanese tattoos, or Irezumi, are renowned for their elaborate, colorful designs and full-body artwork. Tattoos in Europe can be traced back to the Celts and other tribal groups. These tattoos often had symbolic meanings, with designs inspired by nature and mythology. During the 18th century, exploring sailors, including Captain James Cook, encountered Polynesian tattooing, leading to a fascination with the art in Europe. In the early 20th century, tattoos were predominantly associated with sailors, soldiers, and circus performers. However, post-World War II, the tattoo culture began to change. Tattoos started to symbolize rebellion against mainstream culture. Technological advancements have significantly impacted tattooing. The invention of the electric tattoo machine in the late 19th century revolutionized the art, allowing for more intricate designs and reduced pain and infection risk. Today, tattooing is a global phenomenon embraced by various social groups and cultures. It's seen as a form of self-expression and art. Television shows, celebrities, and social media have played a crucial role in popularizing tattoos. Modern tattoo artists combining skill with artistic vision have elevated tattooing to a respected art form. These artists often specialize in specific styles and contribute to the ongoing evolution of tattoo designs and techniques. The history of tattooing is as colorful and diverse as the designs it produces. From ancient rituals to modern expressions of individuality, tattoos have transcended time and culture. They tell stories not only of the people who wear them, but also of the societies from which they emerged. As tattooing continues to evolve, it remains a compelling testament to human creativity and the desire for self-expression.